What if education could do more than teach? What if it could transform lives, save communities, and build futures? Introducing Meta 24, an innovative AI-powered learning platform and workforce initiative created to reduce youth violence and disrupt the pipeline to prison. Located at the Arkansas Baptist College inside the Scott Ford Entrepreneurship Center, Meta 24 is redefining how students learn through hands-on, engaging, and real-world education. Meta 24 stands for Make, Enterprise, Teach, and Achieve. Students gain access to specialized labs, entrepreneurial training, industrial skills, and creative classrooms designed to prepare them for the modern workforce. From welding to audio and video production to 3D printing, esports and gaming, podcasting, graphic design and fashion, CDL training to business ownership, to growing food, to creating products and launching community businesses. Meta 24 gives students the tools to build careers and build confidence. Spearheaded by Dr. Flavian Prince, the bootcamp-style educational experience combines life skills, mentorship, certifications, and workforce development to re-engage students who may have struggled in traditional classrooms. Participants can earn up to 9 college hours while gaining practical career experience and entrepreneurial knowledge. Whether you're a current college student, a high school student, or a young person searching for direction, Meta 24 was built for you, not just to educate, but to empower. Not just to teach skills, but to create opportunity. Meta 24, building futures, creating entrepreneurs, transforming communities.
Right now, we just started the DYS program where they have a 3-week boot camp. And in this 3-week boot camp, if they finish it successfully, they get 9 college hour credits and they'll be able to come and live on the campus to finish their career. So they'll come in, they can get a skill, they can be able to get their degrees, or they can just finish the program successfully to go back to their area, wherever they're from. But the goal is to give them like a fast track and give them a better opportunity, because I was part of the DYS program myself. So that's why I'm a mentor of the program. I went to DYS myself at 14, so I am them. So I'm showing them what can happen if you evolve from the system. And I let them know that if you try to do any shortcuts, it's only going to stagnate your growth. So this program is about realistic and them seeing how to change their lives in real time, how to turn it from a skill to something they can actually pay their bills and actually turn them into mentors as well, because a lot of the students that finish, they come back and mentor the next student. So that's the goal. And normally it's easy to mentor someone when they know you've been in that same situation with them. So we use the kids to teach the kids as the program evolves. So my name is Joel Brown Jr. and I am your welding coach on social media. Right now I got a little over 200,000 subscribers, but I started out just like them at the age of 14. I went to DYS as a program in Alexander for troubled youth. I ended up catching a charge. And from DYS from 14, I ended up graduating it and going to prison at 16. And I was telling them, everyone that was in DYS with me, I met them also in prison with me. Or in those I didn't meet in prison, they was dead. So I understand if we don't have the proper education, if we don't have guidance or this type of program, then they're gonna end up going through the same situation that I was in. And that's what makes this program so valuable, because it's the middleman for them. We didn't have this when I was coming up, but they got the opportunity to get a skill set, get mentors, and get the opportunity to go to college. So it's a win-win situation. And I didn't have that, so that's why I'm here as a mentor and a guide to help them learn the trade and then show them what can happen once they learn the trade as well. I started welding in prison. I actually got certified at 21, so I've been doing it consistently since 21. I have over 21 years of experience. I am a welding fabricator, an engineer, and a pipe welder. So I have done it all, from construction to welding on bridges to being a metal fabricator. And now I'm an educator and I design programs. So this criteria I designed, and it's called FWP, the Fabrication Welding Program. And the purpose of this program is to create a new pipeline, because I have been on different job sites and I know what really need to be taught. They're not teaching in the school. They're not even teaching on the job, but they expect you to get there and you to know it already. You know what I mean? So I'm giving them the inside scoop and showing them how they can take a simple skill like welding and level their lives up within 6 to 16 weeks.